Hello again, just a quick update as to what's going on with the car. I've noticed that there is a bit of rust still on the top of the inner wing at the front there, and because I've got that bit on the replacement panel I'm going to cut across where I've drawn the line, which is through a square and through a circle, which corresponds to a square and a circle on the donor bit. My biggest problem here is making sure I cut the same amount off as I'm putting back on again. So the only datums I have are like holes in the flat panel, and just a few markings here and there. So I've cut it slightly longer than it needed to be, just so I can sort of put it closer to it and just get an idea of what's what. There was a little bit of rust still in there, which is in front of the wheel arch. You can just see the hole there. It was remarkably clean inside. There's a lot of metal that has fallen off the rusty bits at the front, so I did actually get the hoover down there and a little brush and cleaned it all out. Yeah, so this is a mark I've made. I've made the same one on this one, with through the circle and through a square, so I know that they'll both be the same. After cutting that, I sort of rested it in place, and yeah, that's about where it wants to go. Nothing's welded yet, but it's where it needs to be. So I need to take it off, give it a clean up, prime it, and then weld it in. That needs to go back a little bit. It just needs a bit of fine adjustment, but that was a fraction of the time that it took from 6 hours on the Saturday to do this side, and it was about an hour and a half to do the other side, so it did save a lot of time, and there was no drilling out of the spot welds. Yeah, I'll update when all's done. Thanks for watching.